really important for citizens to assist with monitoring throughout the state of South Carolina because DHEC, unfortunately, is extremely limited in what they're able to monitor. Typically, they only have the capacity to go out onto main waterways, so little smaller tributaries wind up often being overlooked and unmonitored. So if there's an issue in one of those, which causes an eventual issue in one of the larger waterways, it can take a lot longer to find that out without the help of citizens.
The Adopt a Stream program is an integral part of the Anderson Regional Joint Water System's approach to trying to get all of our citizens to appreciate the value of clean water and treatable water. Having all 200,000 of our citizens that rely on us for water as active participants in protecting that resource is invaluable.
So it's important to realize that what we do on our own individual properties affects downstream and affects our drinking water intake. And Adopt a Stream is a really great program to bring awareness to that, because now you have people sampling creeks and they're thinking about the creek by their house, but they're also thinking about their drinking water intake. They're also thinking about where they go on the lake every weekend, where they fish every weekend. If they can help protect that source, it helps all of us.
I just think it's a good educational program that also helps us make sure that South Carolina is beautiful and healthy. You don't need to have a scientist background to be able to participate in an Adopt a Stream.
It is science-based, but you have a team of instructors and program leaders all throughout the state and in your area, most likely, that are there to help you anytime you have a question. You have other volunteers who are able to help out as well. So, I mean, if you ever feel like you don't understand something or don't know, what you're doing or why you're doing it, there's always people to reach out to. Again, it's a real community. And it really is about getting people reconnected to nature, getting folks outdoors, getting people together that are like-minded in the sense of wanting to protect our most treasured resource, our most treasured shared resource, and that is water.
I used to be an environmental educator, and I would teach kindergartners through 5th graders how to do these same tests. And children can do it, adults can do it, anybody can learn to do it. It's fairly simple, you just have to be willing to do it.
No animals, no plants, no humans can live without water. We need water, and we need clean water in order to survive, make some progress as a community. So it's very important that the citizens work on that field. And good information and having fun, enjoying the environment, going outdoors, playing with all this stuff. It's very simple. It's not rocket science. You don't need to be a physicist or a chemist or biologist to do that. Just any person can work in that field without any problems and providing a really good data information.